Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make another classic, the Rob Roy. Super easy cocktail, all we need is 3 ingredients to make it. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Scotch, Sweet Vormouth, and bitters. So this one is stirred. We're gonna start by adding ice into a glass. 2 dashes of bitters. 1 ounce of Sweet Vormouth. Two ounces of Scotch. And we're gonna stir it. And we're gonna double strain it. Alright, let's give it a try. Cheers. Alright, so this one is smoky, slightly sweet, and I do get some bitter notes. This is a great cocktail if you're into Scotch. I'll give it 8.3 out of 10. And that's how you make the Rob Roy. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!